It was a chilly day today with a mix of sun and clouds, but the clouds kind of won out for many of us, keeping temperatures generally in the 40s during the even early afternoon hours, only briefly getting into the low 50s. We did see a little bit more prolonged sunshine on the North Shore, and temperatures were able to get into the mid 50s, but all below average. Only 51 right now. Winds still out of the northeast at 6, but those winds will begin changing direction. And yet again, another change in our forecast as temperatures will be on the rise tomorrow. A full 10 degrees below average today, with our afternoon high well below the average and not even close to any kind of record territory. But it's always interesting how warm and cold we can get as we get into the January, February, March months. Morning low was 42 degrees, which was also below average, and we saw some 30s on the North Shore. Now the clouds overnight and winds as well prevented us from really seeing any even near freezing temperatures north of the lake. And we're not going to be that close tomorrow morning, as temperatures will only drop into the 40s overnight because of that easterly wind setting up. So a little bit more moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico, and it appears we're going to remain under mostly cloudy skies through the rest of the overnight and into tomorrow. More cloudiness will be working its way in. Down to 49 degrees though at Covington. So again, we've kind of been on that fine line of staying pretty chilly all day long, and only low 50s on the South Shore. Winds have been out of the north, but they are beginning to change direction, and with more of an easterly wind overnight tonight and then a southeasterly wind tomorrow, the warmer, more humid air is coming back. That cold Arctic air has been spilling out of Canada, but the upper trough that brought this colder air south is beginning to lift northward. And with that change in the upper pattern means a change in our weather, and a warming trend is on the way, but it's only going to last for about 2 days. So the upper trough lifting away, and we will begin to see a warm up for the weekend. Bit more for tomorrow, and then near 80 degrees by Sunday. Then Sunday late, a cold front will be moving on through, probably more early Monday, and that will bring in a colder pattern as we start out next week. And it looks like next week's pattern may be kind of a gradual warming trend, not this rapid warm up after a chilly day one day, then kind of more spring-like the next. It looks like each and every day next week we'll see a gradual warm up, and then likely this is toward the end of the week, maybe another trough moving on through to bring in yet another cold front for next weekend. So here's the short-term forecast. We will begin to see increasing clouds during the, well, really we're going to say under mostly cloudy skies tonight, and then a bit more cloudiness during the day tomorrow, along with maybe a few stray showers. I don't think we're going to see much in the way of rainfall tomorrow. Few isolated showers here and there, about a 30, maybe 40% at the most, just kind of based on what the models have been saying. Now Sunday, a better chance for some showers as this front begins to approach. Best chance of rain is probably going to be during the midday and afternoon hours, and then the good news is that is gone by early Monday morning, probably lingering clouds Monday, but the chilly air will return. Now even with not many showers expected on Sunday, a few isolated could become strong to severe. The main threat from any severe weather that we would see on Sunday, which at the moment is a low-end risk, would be from some gusty winds associated with a few isolated thunderstorms. Not looking at a widespread severe risk by any means. So partly mostly cloudy skies overnight tonight. Chilly, just not as cold. We'll be dropping into the 40s. Tomorrow afternoon, mostly cloudy and about a 40% chance for a few showers and a high of around 70 degrees. So below average today, back above average tomorrow. 79 degrees our high Sunday, a slightly better chance, although the models have been kind of backing off on rain coverage for Sunday. Then the temperatures drop. And as I said, we'll start out the week next week on the chilly side and then only gradually warm into the mid and then upper 60s toward the end of next week.